everyone, this is Eva. Today, the topic is how we assemble the wheels, the sharing e-bike wheels. The first step is prepare the hubs and spokes. See? We used a Shimano Nexus 3 inner hubs. And then we put the spokes inside the hub holes. This is the preparation work. Then we will wheel the spokes into the rims. See?
This intelligent wheel assembly machine is from Holland Mechanics.
After all the spokes are wheeled into the rim, then we need to fix these nipples. Well, here is the machine of fixing nipples. Look, it fixed the wheel. After fix the nipples,
we need to align spokes here. We have robots to automatically align the wheels. This robot is also from the Holland Mechanics. After alignment, we need to equip the tires and tubes to the wheels. The non-inflatable tube is integrated with wear-resistant tires.
In our sharing bikes, we apply the high-quality tires and unique non-inflatable tubes, which not only very durable but also very elastic. With those special wheels, our customers can enjoy a very successful sharing e-bikes business with very low maintenance works and costs. In the last, we need to check the wheels are in the good standard. It is the machine to confirm.
If this machine is in 0.6 millimeter,
then it's standard. If not, then you need to go back and check whether there are any places or room. Okay, so much about today. See you next time. Bye bye.